Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a playlist on Spotify. So let's continue into Spotify and then click on your library. Then tap on the plus icon in the right of corner. Tap on playlist and then enter a name for your playlist. Then tap on create, and then to add or create a playlist using a song you are currently listening to, just open the app and tap at the bottom of the screen to bring up the song on Spotify music player, and then tap on the triple dot icon in the right of corner and now select add to playlist. Now go back and tap on favorite. So here is the playlist. So that's how you can make a playlist on Spotify. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching the video.